Hey guys, Capper here. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about, is weed control possible, at least in gravel without chemicals? Being a landowner, we get comments all the time about chemical uses with fields and weed maintenance, weed control, weed suppression, food plots, and everything else. So today I'm going to break out the Kioti and the TR3, and I'm going to go over these areas where you could see there's a lot of grass growing in the gravel. Let's just see how this is going to work with no chemicals. Let's check it out. Thanks.
That's just one pass, but you can see how nice it scrapes some weeds up.
Alright, so as you could see, it did a pretty nice job. This whole section that we're looking at here was all green. I mean, not 100% green, but you know how gravel or grass comes in your gravel. And then fast forward real quick down to this lower section. You got a before look of this, all the green that was there. And I only ran it maybe 3 passes or so. If I wanted to invest a little more time, I could have got it even cleaner yet. So maybe you can, maybe you can do weed control, at least in gravel. I know a lot of farmers do that, they disc it a lot over and over and over, but you're burning diesel fuel doing that, pumping that out into the air and whatever. So, I mean, I'm not a greenie by any means, but I do try to maintain a balance of, just using just enough chemicals to get the job done. So, food for thought. I hope to see you again. Have a great evening, weekend, weekday, whichever. Take care.